All right, so this is the new Lenovo P1 Gen 8. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. It just came in the mail, or UPS just came by to drop it off. So let's go ahead and just go for it right now. Box came kind of in a, I don't know what's going on with this here. I don't want to show my address, but I don't know what's going on with this. I don't know why this looks like someone ripped something out that was important. I don't know. Hopefully you guys can see it. Can you guys see it? Alright, whatever. This is a charger or something. Yeah, charger, AC power adapter. It's very small, so it's a good thing. Let's put this on the bed. Don't really care about that right now. Just wasting time. Okay, it just comes like this. So interesting. Not really. It just kind of just. That's all that's in the box. There's another piece in here that you don't really care to see. Here it comes. Kind of a, the box. I mean, this is a Lenovo product, so I guess it's not about the unboxing experience. You're getting an actual workstation, not getting like a eye candy. There it is. Definitely it's gonna be replacing this, which is my X13 from Asus. It's the X13 with the Ryzen 9 7940 something with the 4070 in it. Served me a good time, but with the 13.4 inch, the screen is pretty small, and so as I use my laptop as a secondary monitor, 13.4 inch against this 27 inch is very, very tiny, so this will be an upgrade. And one of the reasons I bought this particular version of the ThinkPad laptop is because it has Thunderbolt 5, which I plan to be connecting an eGPU setup with this. I recently purchased a Sonic's Breakaway box to 850, but I'll be using that with this, so let's go ahead and just one finger. Alright. Wait a minute, looks like somebody has used this already. There's a fingerprint on the, unless I'm tripping. I don't know. Definitely looks like somebody had used their finger. You probably can't see it, but there's a fingerprint on the trackpad already. Like a smudge mark. And there's no screen protector on the screen. It just kind of comes. Interesting. We'll see. Does it have any juice in it? So it doesn't have any juice in it, so it looks like it has to be charged. Well, that's much better. Power's on. Oh, so it automatically knows the power supply wattage, or I guess it would know, but this is a 65 watt USB-C charger that I have connected to this, simply because I don't want to set up the charger that came with the laptop just yet. Just want to kind of see everything. Let's see if it, once it gets to that Windows setup screen, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. All right, audio works. All right, and that is the unboxing of the Lenovo P1 Gen 8. All right.